Karibuni tena Swahili Coders. It's been a very long time since we looked at React Native. Kwa hivyo leo nimepata wakati, tutakuwa tunaangalia how to develop mobile apps kutumia React Native. So ukiangalia hapa React Native inatuambia kwamba let's go back here. Ayona. So React Native, learn once, write anywhere. So these are the things that you can develop using React Native. Utaitengeneza Android apps, utaitengeneza pia iOS apps hizo kama vile iPhone apps na Android kama vile Samsung, na pia unaweza kuitengeneza web apps. So these are the things about develop nayo ukitumia React Native. Once you learn React Native, unaweza kuitengeneza hizi vitu vyote ambazo unaziona hapa. These are example of the apps ambazo zinatengenezwa kupitia hii React Native. So unaona Facebook hapa hivi, unaona Coinbase, unaona hapa Tesla app, Bolt. Yeah. So these are the types of apps ambazo unaweza kuitengeneza kuipitia, ambao examples ambazo walizitengeneza kupitia React Native. So na ukishailearn unaweza kuitengeneza pia we app ka hii. So let's go back here kwa VS Code. So the requirements ambao unafaa kuwa nayo, lazima ukuwe na some knowledge of React of JavaScript. Ukishakuwa unajua JavaScript, then that's okay. Unafaa kuwa unajua HTML. So that's the like kitu ambao unafaa kuwa unaelewa HTML. Ukuwa unajua CSS, ndapo pia ukuwa unajua HTML. So hiyo ndio ni basis ya everything ambao unafaa kuwa unaelewa. So kama unashajua hizo, then we can proceed kuangalia React. CS kukwambia lazima ukuwa unajua React, but React Native hiyo tutakuwa tunalearn hapa. So yes, so after that nafaa ukuwa umeinstall this one here. Just go to Google and then download this node. So kisha install this one node, go to your Google and then install this node. Make sure install this one. Yes, ukisha install that one, kurudi kwa your VS Code, nataka ukuwe na hapa kwa apps, lazima ukuwe na hii hapa hivi EX7. So itakurahisisha kuipata snippets. So jaribu kuipata hii 15 million downloads. So this one, it will give you some snippet ili rather than typing everything, unaitype tu labda letter R and then akuletea what you need to type. So itakusave some time typing everything. So yeah, that's the next thing ambao unafaa kuwa nayo kwa your computer. So create folder anywhere in your computer and then we begin. So ukisha install this one, just come and check if everything is being installed and it's okay. So we check this one. I have Node. This mine was a long-term support. So kama unaweza ipata ya long-term support, that's all right. That is good. Itakusave updating every time and then. So ukiwa na hii long-term support, so inakusave update your app every now and then. So long-term support is very good. So let's check also npm. Niko na version gani? So niko na version 11.2. So this one is not a must ukue unaangalia, but this is how you check your versions of everything, that tena ina confirm everything has been installed and you have it. So from there, the very first thing about tunaanza na ni type npx create expo app at latest hivyo, and then sisi tunataka tuitumie, hatuwezi kuitumia template ama anything, tunafaa kuanza from the beginning. So this is how you start from the beginning. Then type template, yes, and then blank, ikupatie blank, and then dot forward slash. This one inamaanisha on this directory ambayo umeiona hapa mobile, inaitwa on the same directory, lazima ikue hapo. Then just type enter, and then yes, now it will continue downloading everything, as you can see there. As this one continue downloading our app from the beginning. So let's go back here and then tuangalie this documentation. Just go to Google and type React Expo. So this Expo is like a boilerplate. Ni boilerplate ambayo inatusaidia, is not a boilerplate, a framework ambayo inatusaidia sisi kuidevelop mobile app. So inakuja pamoja na React Native, ile inakusaidia kuisupport, inarahisisha wewe code and kuidevelop the app using this framework. So ukiangalia hapa, a quick start, inakwambia there's a quick start. So tumeona npx create Expo app at latest. So we are not going to use this one. This one inakupatia some boilerplate and then it cause some confusion. That's why hapa tulikuwa tunaangalia kwamba we will just continue from the beginning. As this one is continuing to download, as this one is continuing to finish loading everything, let's go back here to our VS Code and then click here, setting up environment. So click on that one and then choose where unataka kuidevelop. Hizi inakusaidia kuangalia jinsi wakati utakuwa una develop your app. So mimi nataka kuidevelop iOS. Type that one. Just click on this one. Ukishai click, so before that, sign up here. Create account yako, itakuambia create your account. Ukishai create your account, and then just come here, ukishai create account yako, come home here, and then you will see npx create, and then after that, ukishai type this one on your terminal, npx venye tuwele type npx create expo app at latest, and then dash template, then blank dot forward slash, that on the same directory, then come here on setting up environment, like we have set up environment, and then choose where unataka uko na simu aina gani. This one means uko na simu aina gani, labda uko na Android or uko na S phone type, then you can just use this one. So mimi nita click on this one, and then from there you will be required to go and scan this QR code. Ukisha scan this QR code, you will see back here, come back to your, it will send you to your iOS account. Itakupatia a download link. And then itakupeleka, download that one. Ukisha download, install on your phone. And then utaifuatilia kutoka hapo. Utaona tu instruction. Then from there, you will see this part. npx run on Android or run on project here. So another thing tunafaa kuinstall ili kuirahisisha kazi yetu ni kuja hapa ili uweze kuiona. So kuja back here, navigation, and then file based routing. Ukishaiona hii hapa, unafaa kuja kwa Expo router library manually. Type this one, Expo router library manually, and then nataka uinstall this. copy and install back here. Come back and install it here. So this one itakusaidia view on the web, develop on the web also, na view na utaiona venye itakuwa inakuja saizi. And then as this one is still installing, wakati inaendelea kuinstall, let's go back here. Utaiona umeambiwa hapa set up entry point. So there's some entry point we need to input to our app there. So this one is another one. Is just copy this one here. Let me zoom and then utaweza kuiona. So utaiona hii hapa. So copy this one and then come back here and then just go to package Johnson and then utaiona main. Then change this one to that entry point, as we are going to delete some of these things. But I delete this one and deleting this one also. So, but before that, let's go back and finish setting up everything. And then utaona hii scheme. So we need to set also this one, copy this one. So utaiona your mobile scheme, your app scheme. So I will just come back here, go back to your, and then go to app Jenson, this one, and then hii kenye ulikopi kutoka huku scheme, I want you to copy this one here and then back to your app and then to this Expo app name up on top there. Just type that one and then put your app name. Utaiweka name ya app yako yangu inaitwa mobile, like that. Mobile, like that. So that one to may input, kisha input that one, that's okay. Then put it back here. Tunataka install Metro. So copy this one also and install Metro. Wakati hii inaendelea kuinstall, chukua hii bundler Metro, that one, then go back to your terminal and to your VS Code, and then hapa kwa package the JSON utaiona script. Let me just put this one down a bit and then you will see. Utaiona not that one, is this one, apps. So utaona hapa kwa web, let's put it down here. So bundler at Metro, and then from there tumemaliza setting everything. Now we'll just start npx Expo start. So everything has been set okay now, and then utaiona now itakupatia code ambayo utaiscan. So you will have to scan this once it's finished. This is the one now. QR code, just scan that one on your mobile now after you may install everything from the beginning. Then you will. So I will scan mine like that. So ukisha scan utaiona your app like that. So I will click W. As you can see here, umeambiwa press W to open on the web. Now that tulisha install everything ours, that's why we were installing all that. So utaiona this one here on the mobile is still opening. So you will see it will take a bit of time. Yeah, that's it. Now this one is finished installing, but there's anything at the moment because we haven't done anything here and we have deleted everything. So let's go back to our app here, and then we need to delete all this. Delete this one, we don't need it, and then delete this hub, we don't need it. So, and then close all this. Yeah. So that is installation and everything. Now, quickly, we'll have to do something on the root folder. Click just out here on the root folder and then create a folder called app, like that. And then inside this folder, I want you to create a file and name it index.jsx. So tutakuwa tunatumia JSX. And then now the importance of this up and in come in now, you will see. So that's why I was telling you to install that one. So when you come back here to index, just type type here RNFE. You know, imekupatia snippets already. So this is our snippet imeshatupatia. So utaiona, but I would like you to change this one to like that. Now, yes, when we refresh, let's refresh, and you will be able to see our app now has created something here called home, as you can see it here. So that's our first thing we have created. Umeona inasema home. So that's our first entry point ambayo umeona, so we create, and you can see it on your mobile, everything. So that's home. So when you come back in the next video, tutaendelea create more of these pages. So this is our first page of our mobile. It's called home page. Normally you see it on your mobile, you see home. So yeah, we'll continue. Let's just continue and make something quickly so that you can be able to see. Yeah. So the next thing ambayo tunafaa kuwa nayo hapa, as you can see, this is home. Tunafaa kuifanya a bit of styling. Bring this one here, and then you can see. But before that, let's create another file called about page and a contact page. So just go back to your editor, and then we'll have go back to your app here, and then create another file called about.jsx, and then another one called contact.jsx, like that. So umeiona. So and then tumia the same boilerplate snippet, utaiona, and then just start with napenda start my letters with the capital C, contact. That's it. Yeah. So that's another. And then let's go back to about page. And then we create another NAVS. So that's our about page. About, like that. So that's our about page being created. At the moment, there's no way you can see any navigation from one page to the other. Yeah, we'll need to put some link to be able to see that later. So this is our home page we have created. We have also created a contact us page, and we have also created about, contact, and index page. So the next video tutakuwa anza to continue from our index page, which is our home page. Then we'll pick up from there. So this video has been long already. So yeah, tasimamishia hapo, and then we'll continue.